Hello everyone, this is Cleto with CryptoTide. Welcome to today's quick crypto market update focused on Solana and meme coins. Let's see how the market is shaping up and whether or not today is a good day to trade. First, we'll check the broader market. Second, Solana specific updates. And finally, we'll see what's trending in the last 24 hours and make a coin watch list that I'll be sharing with you. So if you want to see when I'll be entering or exiting the trades that I'll be making today, be sure to watch till the end. Checking the broader market, Bitcoin is down just about 2.5%. Solana is down 4.5%, which is pretty huge. Fear and greed is at 54, but we are still neutral. In a neutral zone here. It looks like it appears to be going up. Looking closer at Solana, taking a closer look at Solana, its price is at 227, and volume is down 8.5% to 3.36 billion. It looks like the Solana Foundation will host 2 flagship events in May this year focusing on technology leadership and ecosystem growth. Analysts are predicting potential price growth to between $300 and $350 by the end of this year for Solana. Alright, looking at the trending coins in the last 24 hours, Robinhood currently down 32% from its high, 76 million. This is something worth watching. We did add this to yesterday's watch list, so in the event that you got into this trade down here where we were looking at it yesterday, you would have 3x'd. So if I was going to get into this now, I would need at least a sharp pullback down to 59 million, but I would like to see it get closer to 42 million. And the reason why I say that is because those are your fib retracement numbers, and this would be a trading zone. So I would be looking to take a position right in here, and then potentially catch that reversal and trade higher. Now, one of the common numbers that we have in here that's kind of popular, like mental barrier, is 50 million. So that is probably exactly where I would be looking to start building a position in this. This is definitely a coin that we're going to be watching today. Next coin is Gaia coin. Currently down 38% from its high. It does look like it kind of double topped here. Very close to a double top anyways. So this is going to continue to most likely keep trending downwards. Let's zoom in here a little bit more because it looks like this is a relatively new coin. Yeah, it looks like this launched last night at about 11:30 p.m. Eastern time. So relatively new coin. It is down 32% from its most recent high and looks to be trending up. This is definitely one to watch. If I was going to trade this, again, I want to see it come down here to around 11 million for entry or somewhere close to that. It does look like it has support at these levels. You can see how many times it's touched this level here. And then we have resistance at here obviously. So that's kind of the zone that we'd be trading down here in this area. And the goal would be to exit the position around here. In the event that it breaks that support level, so we're risking 15% or so down with a potential 80% upside. We would trim that position on the way up. Okay, next coin, official dog of Bybit. This looks to be completely dead, running up to over 18 million and down to 200,000. Zoom in here just to take a closer look. Yeah, it looks like it is completely dead, but maybe reversing here at the bottom. So it did bounce off 100, currently trading at 200. Look at volume in the last 5 minutes. There's only been 84 trades. Volume is really low here now where this is at, but if it could turn around, this could be a pretty epic run back up to the 20 million zone. So yeah, that would be, we got in right here at 200k and it did get back up to that high, then we would 10x our position, right? So especially with this bottom here. It looks like, you know, this has bottomed, tried to rally, and has a higher low here. So this is potentially interesting, and I would say worth watching. If it can hold this floor here, you know, come down, maybe get close to this and touch it, turn back around, this would be a good trade. So let's watch this and see what happens. I'm gonna set an alert here. So we're gonna want to know if this goes under 1.00017. All right, alpha is still holding strong, trading in this range, which is bullish, you know, from consolidation standpoint. This does look like it could run higher, but it is still too high for me to get in at this point. I would want to see it pull back and get in closer down to this range here. So I'm going to add this again to the watch list, and I'm going to create an alert because I do want to know if it drops underneath this 55 million. Next coin is Brooder, down 68%. Yeah, from its high right now. Looks like it has sort of bottomed here. Zoom in a little bit. Getting close to a double bottom. Here. Did get a bounce, which it's currently about 50% down from. So yeah, this would be great to enter just under 2.5 million for a ride back up to potentially 10 million. So I'm going to add this to the watch list, and I'm going to set an alert for 2.5 mil. Yeah, it doesn't have to fall far yet. We'll see. And Shadow looks like it's rallying right now for some reason. Newer coin recently rallied to 20 million, fell about 88%, and now has run up for a 3x, and since pulled back a little bit. 4x, you know, and sharp selling here. So this is one that we'll want to watch. If I was going to trade this, I would be looking for a pullback down to 8.7. Now, if this is really running hard, we may see it bounce here off of 10. Looks like it has a lot of volume. Let's look at our volume here. 140K in the last 5 minutes. Yeah, so volume's definitely dying off. But yeah, you can see this volume spike here. And you can see it starting to calm down. So yeah, the question is, where is this going to turn around, and why is it rallying? Those are our fib numbers there. 45.62. 38 is, yeah, we're right at 38 right now. So I'm going to set an alert for 8 million. Come back and look at this. Okay, now we have Worky down about 72%. Did run up to 3 million, so definitely worth watching. As far as trading, we're taking a position. This does look like it has recovered, made a lower low here, but it's keep bumping up against this level. You can see how it's hit this twice here. So yeah, almost touched this once before here, before rallying, and then briefly breaking through, but then just keep bumping it here. Doesn't look bad for an entry now at this level. We've got resistance right here, and we do have a support level right here. So we'd want to see this shift one way or the other. You know, either break through this or drop below, like down, come down and touch this again before taking the position. But this is something that we want to get an alert for if it drops under 8 million. UFE, quantum part entanglement, down from 20 million to 9, so roughly 50%. Did pull back 84. Very interesting. We can see here this is an obvious support level. And then here again, looks to have built some support in here as well. Let's come down and touch this a couple times now. Let's do a fib retracement. So you can see how this has become resistance, or also a profit taking level, you know, for the guys that bought down here. A lot of profit taking happening here. But see how these line up? See these fib retracements numbers? So 0.236, 0.38, 0.5, 0.618. Almost perfectly lining up this quantum part and taking the chart several areas. Profit taking there, entry here, right? So the people that took position here, as soon as they saw this higher low form, a lot of buying right here, and then profit taking here. So 100%. And then we see this support, right? So again, people take position here. And then we see that trade up to 100% again. But for those that didn't take profits right here, you can see a lot of profit taking happening right here. For those that didn't take profits right there and rode this all the way up to the top, smashing through first this 3.8 and then touching the 0.5. These guys that took profits in here almost got a 3x. So yeah, definitely worth watching, but not exactly sure how to trade this. You know, you'd have to watch it. So I do want to know if it comes back down here into this range again. Yeah, so we want it to come back down here. So I'm going to ask this to alert me under 7 million. Seen this run to 5 million, down 85% from its high. Obvious support level here. So this could be bouncing now. Volume's down significantly. This is not a pump fund token, so I wouldn't trade this and I wouldn't watch it. Alpaca, okay, another recently created token. I have no idea what's going on here with this chart. Let's look at the 1 minute. Yeah, this is probably a scam. This looks highly manufactured, very scammy. So we're not gonna look at this. Okay, so we did go through the top trending coins in the last 24 hours. Now let's put together a filter, look at more specifically what we can scan and monitor today while we're trading. So what we've done here in our filters is we're looking at anything that has a minimum market cap of 75K and a max of 500K. That is no more than 2 hours old. We're looking for relatively new tokens. And we're going to apply this. And this is something that we want to make sure they have the DEX paid, right? So we use this to kind of filter out things that either the community isn't supporting or the developer isn't supporting. And we want to monitor this list. You know, this is the list that we're going to work, you know, as we watch and get notifications to look at the other things that we're watching. This is kind of how we're going to play the day. I'm not going to go through this list with you right now to make any trades or do any analysis, but I will be updating the watch list with things from this list. You can see it kind of growing here, but there's a lot of things that we need to filter out here at this level, since these are, you know, the trending coins. There's going to be a lot of scams, a lot of rug pulls we're going to have to work through. I will share the filter for this list, and I will share the watch list that I put together. Based on the earlier sections that I looked at, it does look like a bearish day. You know, Solana down, volume down, Bitcoin's down. We're definitely kind of trading against the market. With the coins that we've had today, or recently, I would say there's been many coins run into the millions, hundreds of millions, as we saw in the top trending 24-hour coins there. There's a lot of opportunities, so that does make it worthwhile to trade today. So if you can get on and do some trenching, use the watch list that I'm providing, use the the filter that I'm providing, and ask me questions, comments, like and subscribe. Go on X, ask questions there. In the event that you do want to trade with me, I'll be on Twitch. I do plan on creating a Discord, so we'll be able to trade together in there. I am looking for people to trade with, so please reach out in the event that you are too. That wraps up today's quick market check. If you found this helpful, let me know by hitting that like button, subscribing, or following, and I'll be back tomorrow with another update. Lido out.